Welcome. Thank you for being here. EFT tapping is known as emotional freedom technique. It is a powerful tool to help you release blocked energy, emotions, or limiting beliefs. By tapping on specific meridian points on the body, you're not only calming your nervous system, but also reprogramming your mind for greater positivity and resilience. As we begin, remember that there is no right or wrong way to do this. Your experience is uniquely yours. Just trust the process and follow along by tapping on the body points highlighted on the screen. If any emotion arises, allow yourself to feel it, knowing you are in a safe space to release and heal. First, let's find a quiet, comfortable space. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air, and slowly release it out, letting go of any tension or worries. Do this a couple more times at your own pace. Now, gently open your eyes if they were closed. We are about to start our EFT tapping exercise. Stay connected to your breath and body throughout. Trust that with each tap, you are one step closer to balance, healing, and transformation. Tap on the body points highlighted on the screen and repeat the affirmations after me. Let's begin. Even with my anxiety, I deeply and wholly accept myself. Even with my anxiety, I deeply and wholly accept myself. This present anxiety. Feeling its weight. I recognize my anxious thoughts. I choose to release and let go. I choose to release and let go. I am safe right now. Letting go of the fear. Embracing calm. Embracing calm. I am in control. Calming my mind. Every breath brings peace. Every breath brings peace. Anxiety does not define me. I allow tranquility in. My strength grows with every tap. Easing into a peaceful state. Anxiety is fading. I welcome serenity. I welcome peace. Take this newfound awareness of peace and serenity with you throughout your day.